my retail friends. You want to sell more furniture or any other products for around the house? Convince your customers with the world's best floor plan creation app, MagicPlan. Ready? Retail time. You can't bring one-to-one models of furniture to your customers, now can you? Now with MagicPlan, you can.
Simply create a dimensioned floor plan of a room within seconds. Import your product catalog, place the object, and show your customer how it fits. Deal closed.
You want to get your hands on MagicPlan right away? It's a free download at the App Store or the Google Play Store. You want to learn more? Visit our website.